So if you are just joining our channel, we suggest you subscribe and then turn on your notification bell. Today we'll be sharing how you can plant your pineapple using the pineapple crown. You know, the normal pineapple crown you normally throw away. Yes, this. So the first thing we did was we pulled the layers of the crown. We pulled it off to expose the root. So you can see carefully, that's the root. That's the root. That's where the nutrient is being drawn from. So we carefully pulled out 4 layers, and depending on how far yours is from the root, you can decide to pull up 5 layers of the crown to expose the root. After which, carefully, I always tell people to carefully do this. You can either plant this in a bucket or put it in the soil. But since we had space, we have enough space, we decided to use the soil. So when you exposed the little see the roots, yeah, the roots. Once you expose the roots, mine, I'm not done exposing them. I wanted you to get the yeah, that's it, that's the root. You dig up the ground a bit, not too deep, yeah, just you put it into the ground, the soil, into the soil, carefully put it into the soil, then yeah, put it carefully. After which, you can decide to water it from the top. Yeah, it's mostly okay when you water the pineapple from the top, because for 2 days. Why we didn't water ours is because we found out that it was about to rain immediately. In fact, it rained immediately we planted the pineapple. So it's the same process you can use to plant your pineapple in your garden. First, clear the bush, clear the area you want to use, or get your sack in case you want to use your sack. Secondly, cut out if there is any, what is it called, the one left, you can cut it out, you can decide to leave it. Then thirdly, you remove the crown layers. You can decide to remove 5 just to expose the root. Yes, just as I'm doing now, to get to the root. The root is that thing you are seeing there. Yeah, that little offshoots, those small things you are seeing there, those are the roots. So you carefully do that and then put it in the soil. Voila, you have a pineapple. So if you've been throwing away the pineapple crown, please stop throwing it away. Please stop throwing it away. And what we do in this channel is we literally encourage you to plant no matter how small it is. So during this whole process, I was able to plant about 10 points. I planted 10 of pineapple. So I planted 10 from the waste we got from our house. So you can also do same. So if you're a lover of pineapple, try this out. And how do we manure our plants? Mostly we use our kitchen waste to give nutrient to the plant. So nothing is waste. The only thing that we waste in our house is nylon, anything that is non-biodegradable. So if it is biodegradable, we keep it for as a fertilizer to fertilize the plants. So the same process, remove the crown, dig up the ground, and then put it. So if this is your first time of coming across to this channel, we encourage you to subscribe, like, and then share with somebody, and then we take it off from there. You'll be getting more videos like this from us. And next, we are trying to do a project, or we are trying to plant 100 bags of tomatoes this season. So keep watching as we keep doing what we know how to do best, which is encouraging you to plant no matter how small it is. And thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and give us a thumbs up, and share this video with somebody. Bye.